Just here visiting this project for a shower remodel. Very nice linen subway tiles going across. Sluter across the top. Coming down. Floating seat. Shower valve, shower head. Coming across over here to a half wall where glass will be going up. Then a glass door going this way. Walking straight in, right here is pitched, and then we have the niche back here too, and then also the niche back here also. So we got the fiber rock pieces there to go in and get taped up. So we'll be putting subway backsplash across the front of the tub and around the sides over here and coming back this way also. On top of here, we'll be having stone go on top and stone across the windowsill, which will match this stone right here, Dallas White. Newly painted vanities, a couple of touch-ups. You can see the previous color right there, so just a little touch-ups right there. But overall, very good, very nice on the paint job there.